Global logistics networks are massive, highly complex, and currently choking on their own architecture. Right now, every major corporation is trying to integrate artificial intelligence into these fragmented systems. But the standard approach treats artificial intelligence like a routine software patch, a simple bolt-on upgrade applied to business as usual. You cannot overlay a supercomputer onto an analog, bottlenecked workflow and expect the friction to vanish. The old architecture actively restricts the new technology. The root of this failure is a misunderstanding of what AI actually is today. The core nature of the technology has shifted faster than the ways we manage it. The technology has outgrown its original role as a simple predictive tool, evolving into a form of agency that clashes with existing operational logic. This chart shows the progression of AI capabilities, starting with traditional AI, which identifies patterns and recommends actions. It works as a specialized advisor, modeling data to achieve predefined objectives. This creates measurable improvements, though a human still executes the final decision. Then the technology moved into its second phase, generative AI, acting as a high-speed assistant. The middle column shows how this assistant functions. It can answer complex questions in natural language, summarize vast documents, and generate scenarios. This boosts human productivity, but the human remains in the driver's seat, directing every task. During both the advisor and assistant phases, the technology remained a tool, waiting for a human to issue instructions within existing corporate structures. We have now crossed a threshold into a third phase, agentic AI. These systems operate independently, navigating workflows without waiting for direct operational control. Agentic AI moves beyond the roles of advisor or assistant, operating as an active, independent actor. The final column shows the core mechanism. An agentic system actively perceives its environment to achieve a goal. It acts on behalf of the entity, responding to evolving conditions like closed shipping ports in real time. This results in a fully autonomous, goal-driven workflow. Legacy processes break at this threshold. This level of autonomy represents a digital workforce acting on our behalf. When you drop this autonomous actor into the old maze of a legacy supply chain, the friction is immediate. Human-centric legacy rules and structural bottlenecks fight the AI. An AI might find an instant reroute for a shipment, only to be blocked by a 30-year-old manual approval protocol. Resolving this conflict requires abandoning the bolt-on approach and embracing AI-native operating models. This definition describes an AI-native supply chain as an operating model designed from the ground up to leverage artificial intelligence. In these architectures, data accessibility and autonomous decision-making are foundational building blocks designed from the ground up, rather than secondary add-ons bridging old databases. In practice, this means tearing down the rigid hierarchies of traditional org charts to construct a streamlined AI-first network where data moves without friction. Companies that try to cage autonomous agents inside legacy systems will see their performance capped by manual bottlenecks. Organizations that rebuild around the AI remove those limits entirely. Realizing the potential of agentic technology requires an environment built for and governed by an autonomous